All right, day 4. Biking to work. It'll probably take me about 18 minutes to get to work from here. Oh, and yesterday I also cheated. I did 30 minutes of YouTube looking for motivation quotes. So I think that's kind of cheating since I was at home, but it was only like 8:30, so I couldn't really fall asleep yet. But yeah, small steps, right? Little steps. All right, so I mopped the floor in my kitchen and bathroom yesterday for the first time. For the first time in my life. My mom usually does it, so yeah, I know, kind of spoiled. So already positive change, right? Just from not playing video games and surfing the web and watching TV, just being more present. So yeah, I wonder what I'm gonna do today after I get off work at 5:30. So we'll see. All right, time for work. 10-hour shift. That'll be a blink of an eye for you. All right, just like that, I'm off work. Go home now. And it's already dark. All right, just received some items. It's probably the gate for my cat. Oh, there goes my cat. He's waiting for me. Hi, Ninja. Hi, Mama. Hi, Ninja. You got bigger already. Hi, Ma. Yes. Hi, Ninja. Hi, Ninja. Mama. Mama. And dinner is served. My mom made this before she left, so I just heated it up with my through the microwave. So, all right, gonna do my dishes. Not that I have any cups, so. All right, let's see what I got from mail. I think I'm gonna start recording it vertical just because it's easier to edit my videos. I don't know. But let's see what we got. To clean the surface. But I got wipes instead, so I'm going to return it. For my house. All right. Luckily, my dad has a bunch of tools he left around here, so I can use it to drill a hole. All right, let's see how this looks. I can still open the door, so all right, all done. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to clean my table because she's just gonna mess everything up. And took me like 20 minutes, I guess, maybe 15, but this is all done. This is pretty good. It's drilled in and nice and tight. And I don't think she can fit. Yeah, I don't think she, oh, maybe. Well, I mean, she might fit now, but not when she gets older. So, all right, so I'm all done with the gate. And I did my dishes, and I just did my laundry. It is 7:15. I think I'll change my sheets again to help reduce the ringworm. But I mean, I'm using the black light and nothing shows, so I don't know. I'm not getting any new rashes or new spots of ringworm, so I think I'm gonna go change the sheets and take a shower and then go from there. All right, so I just finished taking a shower, put on some meds. Oh, I did some laundry, so I gotta hang up my laundry. And then I'm gonna do some dips and bicep curls, and I call it night. It's like 8:15 right now. Yeah, Mama, what do you want? Ninja, Ninja, come here. Ninja, 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 come here. Ninja, 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 Meow, 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 Ninja Meow, come, come. All right, I'm leaving. Come on. All right. She doesn't understand, I guess, but if I leave the room and go somewhere else, she'll follow me. Ninja, Mao, Ninja Mao. Took you forever. All right, come. Come, Ninja. Come. Come on. Come. All right. All done. 10 sets. Sorry. All right. All done. 10 sets of dips, 10 sets of bicep curls. And I was able to edit day two's videos of me. Sorry, day two video of me not using any electronic entertainment while I'm at home. The plan is only use it during work time, since I have free time sometimes at work, and lunch break, of course. And when I'm at home, I would use that time to do other stuff, you know, laundry, cleaning up the house, fixing things, going out, you know, instead of just surfing the web and wasting my time. Yeah, so I installed the gate today. Can I rotate? I don't really know. Anyways, I installed that gate so the cat can't go into my bathroom and into my under the bathtub. Anyways, I'm gonna go sleep now. Go to work tomorrow. It'll be day 5 tomorrow, and then Friday and Saturday, Sunday, I'll be not using my phone at all. So anyways, day by day, make simple small changes and see positive results, hopefully. Anyways, most important, find a girlfriend, get married, have a family.